The most dangerous person in your life is not your enemy. It is the version of you that is okay with not leveling up or upscaling your position. You are not where you want to be, and deep down you know exactly why. You are just too afraid and too ashamed to say it out loud. Today I am going to say it for you, because the life you keep postponing is running out of time. Here is the first truth. Most people on the street are living for today. Monday to Friday, they survive. Friday to Sunday, they forget. The club, the social groups, the drinks, the outings that add nothing to your future. I am not judging the enjoyment. I am judging the pattern. Because here is what nobody tells you on the street. You might actually live to 70, to 80 years, maybe longer. What does that version of you look like right now? Do they have money, health, options, or are they dependent on their children, asking for help from the same people who are struggling themselves? People hang their hopes on their children. They say, my kids will take care of me, but your kids will have their own rent, their own families, their own struggles. The kindest thing you can do for the people you love is not be their burden. You have to stop living only for today. You have to start building for the version of you that is still coming, because that version is coming, whether you are ready or not. Here is the second truth. Most people do not change because they do not feel the danger yet. Let me describe someone you know. Maybe they have a job. Maybe they are hustling on the street. Maybe they are still studying. Maybe they are somewhere in between. From the outside, they look fine, but look closer. No savings, no investment, no skill that the market would actually pay for, no plan for what happens if everything stops tomorrow. And the world around them is changing fast. AI is replacing jobs. The economy is shifting. The skills that worked 5 years ago are becoming invisible. But this person does not know this yet, because this person is sleepwalking, not paying attention to their environment, not reading about what is coming, not asking what the world will need from them in 5 years. Instead, they are watching, scrolling, surviving the week, forgetting the weekend. And one day, the opportunity they needed passed them while they were not looking. That person is not a stranger. That person is someone you see every day. That person might be you. The danger is real. It is already moving. The only question is, are you awake enough to see it? Now I want to talk about something most motivational videos skip. A lot of people are not moving forward because they are still punishing themselves for the past, the years they wasted, the opportunity they missed, the money they spent wrong, the relationship that broke them. They carry that weight every single day, and that weight makes them feel like it is too late. You are not too old, you are not too late, you are not too broken. You are just still carrying something you were supposed to put down a long time ago. The past is not your prison, it is just your history. And history does not decide your future unless you let it. Forgive yourself, not because you deserve easy, but because you cannot build the future with both hands holding the past. So what is the first step? Not the whole journey, just the first step. Self-realization. You have to be willing to look at your life honestly. Not the version you show people on social media, not the version you tell yourself at night, the real version. Ask yourself 3 questions right now. 1. If everything I depend on stopped tomorrow, how long could I survive? 2. What skill do I have that the world would actually pay for? 3. What have I been avoiding that I know I need to face? Those 3 answers, that is your starting point, not someone else's plan. Not a YouTube formula, your truth, your starting point, your first step. Most people will hear those 3 questions and keep scrolling. The ones who stop and actually answer them, those are the ones who wake up. I am not here to motivate you. Motivation fades. I am here to wake you up. If this lecture hit you, subscribe to this channel. Every week I bring you a new truth about money, mindset, and the skills you need to survive what is coming. Drop a comment. Which of those 3 questions hit you the hardest? I will be waiting in the comments. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.